every summer there was a field of sunflowers behind my father's house in Beppu. When each sunflower is so heavy with seeds and its head start curving and going downwards, that is a reminder of the end of summer. I wanted to work with this color palette of black and chartreuse, and I love that combination because it's so vibrant. It really showcases the black aspect of sunflowers, but at the same time chartreuse doesn't just sit in the backdrop. And then surrounded that with those tiny circles, and actually they are from the prayer beads, and something that I read about and coming from, I think, Indian culture. And inside is those vibrant black sunflowers, and of course I surrounded the corners, edges with the silhouette of sunflower on each side. So in a way it's very elegant, but it also has a very untraditional vibe to it, and that's something I love about this piece.